I'm sexy. Don't vex me.
You see a king from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres. A couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers.
Kissing and hope it cut us, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it, I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up.
When you're in your 20s, it can often feel like you're almost there. Yes, you may want to save money and you may want to find your purpose and probably find a partner at some point. But this time is for you and you only. Everyone you know or talk to will be in a different place or stage in life, trying to find and get to their own there. But you might not really know where there is and what that's supposed to be. It's definitely a daunting feeling to not know what you're looking for. But what about another perspective? Right now, you are all that you've got, and you don't need to take anybody else's opinion into consideration, and it won't always be that way. I feel like I've lived a million different lives already, and I've loved each of them, but I haven't been quite convinced that any are mine forever, or that any are my there. If you change your mind and it doesn't work out, you can just change it again. You get this chance right now, and what a mistake it would be to spend it focusing on your there instead of focusing on each new experience. So, a little reminder on those nights when it feels a little harder. I hope you keep taking those chances even when it feels impossible and even when you feel like no one else is doing it with you, because right now, you can. And I don't know, it was just kind of what I needed to hear in that exact moment. If any of you guys are in your 20s feeling a little bit lost, don't worry too much about finding where you're supposed to get to. Like, this is life right now in front of us. It's awesome. I love you guys.
I want to take a moment to applaud your strength, especially if it was built in very, very difficult circumstances. You were strong in ways that you shouldn't have had to be. The things that you went through didn't make you stronger. That was all you. And I'm really proud of you because that is very, 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 very difficult. And I want to let you know that you deserve softness, you deserve love, you deserve to be at ease.
Don't let self-doubt win this season. You have a bunch of things that you want to do. You have dreams in your heart, you have goals, you have intentions, and you are so deeply worthy of bringing those things to fruition. I know it's easier said than done to not get caught up in your brain about what you can and can't do, but if you count yourself out before you try, then what? Give yourself permission to stand tall in what it is you want, to not shrink because you're scared. You are allowed to try something new. You are allowed to create the life that you want. It may seem scary, it may be daunting, it may feel out of reach, but don't cut yourself short, okay?
See me, I'm sexy. Don't vex me. See me, I'm sexy.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist on.
I know I got a lot on my mind. I haven't beat my face in so long. The depression had me, but I'm back.
Over my bands, like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she on.
Under the weather, go back to the days of December. I don't just remember.
For TikTok, so if you want to check that out, please follow me on TikTok. Now I'm doing my best for you guys.
Personally, I'm surprised you call me after. Don't wanna waste my days, I want to spend them on enjoyment.
I'm going in with contour. I'm using the Pro Conceal LA Girl. Yeah. Bob Daddy.
Yeah, what's my name? Bob Daddy. Big tunes, got the block baggy. Let's run, more baggies. What's that? It's a drop top caddy. What's my name?
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella free. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, makeup pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step up setting, so I just like baby B. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy ass, I know you know it's giving cream. I got hoes, when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
Daddy.
What's my name? Don't tell mommy. Rubber babe. Big body.
Like a baby, carry that on my head, on my head. Make a sip, cause shawty got me touched. Got me pleasure, fall backwards. I get that bitch up, yeah, that bitch up, yeah. On my house, give a fuck about my wrist. On my switch, you can't be touched, that I make that nigga itch. I know that I'm rich, but that's my project, bitch. Brother to me, something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
Push a T, push a pound of weed, need a brand new weed. Kill my dog, pussy nigga, please, I go Keanu Reeves. He don't go.
We see a king from Jamaica. He own a couple acres. A couple fake visas cause he never got his papers.
Why you telling me just let a nigga see? Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it cheap, welcome at the age, just let that nigga be. TLC, no I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my song, right that did to beat, I'm right that did to sleep. You ain't peace, but you know you beat to me, he beat his me.
I need chicks, I tell that nigga, he like a baby, carry that on my head, on my head. I just need a sip.
She said, what about them niggas? You right. What you doing tonight? Put on some time. Get my mama titties.
But that's my project, bitch. Brother to me, something to my bitch, she gon' switch. Brother to me, something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
No nigga wanna be my ex. I love when he going to her. She gon' do what a group. That's not a reliable source.
Another banger. So eyes, I know that she can never get enough of food. Your body high me like lean. When we do it, skin to skin. And as the rush they increase, I feel the drip in your feet. Shorty say she feeling so,
phone you do get brother, let me know. Location do get take me na come. Kuwa beba na mastingo. Come baby, tap it to the mess and drop it on. He pushed infinity to bring it to the floor. Just mastingo, ya mastingo. Watch out, Maswali, in Nairobi, this my lingo.
Shawty, give me that splash from my chest to my knees.
Bila buti na bidwa kubali. Pata jalu twenani ya kujali. Hii maifanyanga.
This nani yako in the zone. Aje na anafeel totally perform. Shot now you know got cliff.
Tunazoza. Hii maifanyanga. Ropa.
Guys, I'm on my way to the date. Look good, feel good. There's so much light. Nasikia ngana ka.
Super bright.
Hey, I know I'm a shining star, but anyway, I'm excited. Ooh. Are you excited? You're excited and you're not the one going for the date.
I'm excited for you.
Oh, Harushimi. Alusa.
Why are you topless?
Why are you topless?
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
She rolls. I feel like you can have half the ninis, so we should try as many as we can. But this is so now sushi a la carte. I've had sushi itself before like this. I feel like you can't eat too. But they serve sets as well. Some starters. Should definitely try this today.
Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my bed?
The way. Unaona hiyo siku yenye nilipost hiyo the skirt, the boots. I was just at home, I was like, let me start. I'm starting to feel better. Right? I'm starting to feel better. Let me start trying to create outfits. Because I realized actually, Mimi is creating the outfit. Like I never think about like, what do I want to wear today? Or even, what do I want to feel like today? What do I want to... I never think of that. It's always like, oh, China, let me just wear pants and jeans. No pants and a top. Jeans and a top. Like, I don't want to do that. I want to be like, let's say I wanted to feel like a bad bitch. Like, so I went for like the boots, the leather. Like today I feel like when you're going to feel. And even sometimes it's like, I want to feel dressy today. To wear a skirt, a dress, light makeup.
Have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a ya, say she give me in a ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Girls them a wine in every grind. Let us see. Any man let me look you.
Wait. Nilikuwa nimeshika kweli.
Was that the way?
As long as ikulike. Actually, hiyo siku nilishindwa nikadunga mimi. Why should I suffer?
Because I'm late. There's no.
How's it?
I like it.
People make time for what they want. You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act.
Which song is your favorite?
I love True Love for sure. I like Mashiri. It feels like a dancey song.
I like Kwamanaya. When you find the one you love, Kwamanaya. I like that one. Oh, I like Sex and Marijuana because of Miss Bugs. I love Miss Bugs.
Sex and Marijuana.
I love Miss Bugs.
Yeah.
She's from UK. They're really nice. Even the sauce is so nice. Oh yeah. Nice.
People make time for what they want. You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast and it's already healing my scratch. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I ain't gonna sit around waiting for you. Got a million other things I gotta do. Got a gig and a script that I'm taking my time with. Then I got signers, publishing got me thriving. I can't let a flake come and kill my mood. Don't even say a thing, don't act a fool. Ain't no need for arguments, I get back to my shining. Back to my grinding, you're ruining my timing. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. Waste my time. Any people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So
Epic fail.
You tried.
Kuna ka-test but nimeshika huko nikajua tu nimefail. I think itabidi nimemeza nikaweka huko. There's something it touched here and I was like it's a rub.
Yeah, nasikia joto kwa kichwa. Ishaingia kwa kichwa. Let me tell you, that coleslaw was so good.
Yeah.
I really love coleslaw.
you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. We gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I'm in your head, I got you feeling guilty.
I was busy wanasema nini? Cheap table.
Expensive.
Get to try again. Hey, you're saying, umejaribu.
Yeah. You've redeemed yourself.
I don't even know what I would do without my women friends. I mean, I have my friends, therefore I am. You know, they make me stronger, they make me smarter, they make me braver. They tap me on the shoulder when I might be in need of course correcting.